Hope you guys had a fun Memorial Day weekend. Today's Tuesday, the day after, so laryngitis, a little bit of tan face from being outside at the car shows, but it's all good. And the nice thing, I was able to earn money for the 2 days that I really have not even been able to sit and access my computer. Because every day I like to do some type of content like an email. Someone inboxes me back and forth, or maybe YouTube videos, of course. And posting on social media is a no-brainer. But the last 2 days, I produced two fairly large car shows, and there's just no way I had time to sit and do any type of posting or just creating any kind of content to tell you folks about Save Club. But each night when I got home, I would log in, and I could see that my funnel system was generating like 3 to 4 to 5 people joining the funnel system, which is a $20 per thing in my wallet. Okay, so to make anywhere from $60 to $80 to $100 for that day is just amazing. It's just amazing. And of course, with signups and the savings that people are doing in my downline or my group or my team is just amazing as well, because once a month with the matching bonus, that's going to be really amazing. Like capital AMA with a zing. Okay, so, and I'll show you some results coming up. Let's see, today is May 27th, so we have about 3 more days. And June 1st is Ready, Set, Go. That's when we're going to kick off Save Club, where we're at a pre-launch. The last 30 days, or 27 to be exact, have been, let's just be in the pre-launch phase, work some bugs out, but we're earning commissions. The nice thing is the website doesn't have all the deals from Canada to Ukraine, all over Asia to Africa. Okay, this is a worldwide savings club. This is not like a Groupon where it just targets, like, let's say America. Maybe Canada have their own savings club, and it could be something that just only goes around your territory. But we are going to include Mexico, go up to Canada. We're all over right now, and congrats to South Africa. I was told Malaysia and the Philippines are doing extremely well. No doubt Japan, China, all the way over to France, down below to Brazil. Every country will participate in Save Club, especially when there's tens of thousands. And eventually, over the next year, I no doubt there will be millions of deals. And all you got to do is just pop up your Save Club on your home computer like you're looking at right now. Of course, cell phone. You can just go into saveclub.com on your cell phone, and it's easy to navigate. But there's an official app, too, that you can just download. And hopefully it's easier. I think it's easy now. We don't even need an app, in my opinion. You just log in and go to My Deals. There's everything right there. But if the app makes it even easier, great. But I'm just telling you right now, I've been in this club for I'd say about a month. Let's just say I finally hit a month, and it's awesome. The income is there. I've made about $1,000 per week, because I know at the end of 30 days, I'm going to have about $4,000. Wow. That's just cash that I've made being an affiliate, where I only paid $60. $19.97 to be a member, because you have to be a member to be an affiliate. So when I joined, $79.97. $19.97 plus that $60. So if you have 420s, oh my gosh, you get 3 cents back. What a deal. My deals currently are right around $950 I've saved on 5 tires for my truck, 6 tires for my truck, because I have a dually, 5 tires for my Hummer. I bought a mattress. I have a couple car wash things I do, and I do this stuff called eating. And I have a couple restaurant deals. But everything so far has come to $950. And that's just my first 30 days. But it only took like 3 or 4 days to find the deals, because I just typed in discount tire, Memorial Day sale, purple mattress, and then the car washes. I was just screwing off going, God, let me go into automotive and see if I can save something here locally. And 2 car washes that I go to literally every month. One was, let's see, $11 savings, and the other one was 6 or 7. But I remember my savings between both is 17. And I'm going there anyway. So $17, I don't know, a couple lunches maybe. What can you buy for $17? Even gas. Gas right now is about $3.50. I have to use 91 octane because all my engines are kind of high performance. So let's just say it's $3.75 a gallon. That's all it is here in Utah for 91 octane. But gosh, for me to get like 4, 5, 6 gallons of good old-fashioned diesel or gasoline on things I'm doing anyway. Awesome. But that $950 is mind-blowing. What I did on all my videos, I went and got $1,000 cash out from my bank. And when you put this in front of you and just realize, Cory, here, whatever you bought over the last 30 days, thank you, but you know what? Here you go. There's there's 1,000 here. I just need to take a $50 bill out. And it feels the same. It just, oh man, I almost feel like a stripper. I can put it in my little G-string I have on right now. But thank you, Save Club. And thank you to the sponsor that got a hold of me and said, you should check this out. And I did. So if you have not joined Save Club yet, if you join my team, I'm going to send you an email. I'm going to tell you exactly what I do. I belong to the biggest group by far in Save Club. So we have free materials for you, like pictures you can use, videos that are already done. You just upload them. Don't worry about doing what I'm doing now. If you feel uncomfortable talking to a webcam or even into selfie mode, most people, they do a lot of business on their cell, right? And sometimes you just sit in your car or maybe walk around outside, or maybe you have a desk like this and you just put it on a stand, or you can turn your phone like this. But when you look at Instagram or TikTok, it looks like a lot of people like to do the selfie thing. And in my case, I have a Logitech C920. It's a webcam that's probably 60 to 70 bucks on Amazon. I got mine at a store called Best Buy here in America. And I got a light. You can see the little ring light. I'm inside a building, and this studio doesn't have natural light. So light, day, it's always the same. I just turn on this light, and you're going to see these little donut-looking things shining in my eyeballs like a little creepy dude. There we go. But 25 bucks for the light. 70 bucks for the webcam. $79.97 to join as a member and an affiliate. So we're not even at $200 yet. You have one badass business. And if you want to get business cards like these red ones, 22 bucks for a big old box. These exact ones, they were 22 bucks to my door. And then I bought ilovesaveclub.com from GoDaddy for 12. So literally for right around exactly $200, I have this light, a webcam, I've joined as an affiliate, and I have a really cool domain, and I own several of them, and some business cards that if Save Club comes up at a party, a gas station, wherever I'm at, I never talk about Save Club like I'm doing now. I just tell people, go to ilovesaveclub.com and just watch a video. All right, right there, that video, it's just a YouTube video. Click it, and it's our CEO. His name is Charles Moy. And I like this video. It just tells you about everything you probably need to know to join. And then, of course, if you like what you hear or you want more information, just see this thing right here. It's called like a form, right? Just fill information there. Hit that orange button. And then if you want to join, open up the Save Club email. And if you need more information, just go ahead and do the same thing. But it's a very easy system. This is so cake. And I hope you do it, okay? So anyway, I'll go ahead and just show you my video, or how I lead you to my video, and that's ilovesaveclub.com. Now, I have a funnel system, and it's quite amazing, and I just want you to look at it. You don't have to do it, but if you do, I think it's going to give you a head start, and the reason why is because our funnel system has a 20-minute video, and it's in greater detail than the one that comes with your affiliate when you pay the $60. They're both exactly just awesome. They both lead you to, if you want to join, or if you just need more information. But some people like the 20-minute version because it goes through the compensation plan, the pay plan. And it just shows you things like examples to go into a restaurant, how to draw the deal up, and to show your cell phone. You can even print out the coupon. It's very simple. But it's really up to you. You don't have to do the funnel system. And if you want to try it, it's only 25 bucks. No contract, no nothing. Try it, and if you like it, awesome. Okay, so anyway, here's the 2 links. Go ahead and just write them down or just click them, and you just watch short little videos. That's it. Okay? All right. Well, this is a miracle because every time I try to do a video, I try to do a 10-minute one. And right now I think I'm going to actually do a 10-minute one and not a 12. So, all right, guys, thanks for your time. Go to my YouTube channel. All right, just subscribe and you guys will check it out. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.